Alright guys, this is a room tour of 9188 Pride of America, Norwegian. This is the ship that they use to do all of their Hawaiian cruises. It is a little tight in here, but you gotta remember this ship is pretty old. However, all the fixtures and everything, this is like all real wood and very nice. Very tiny bathroom. I don't even know what the smaller or interior rooms are gonna look like, but that's gonna be rough.
We might be able to show you because we have a friend that...
Yeah, we have a friend in a suite, which you're gonna be able to see, and we have a friend in an interior room. So this is a shower that, man, I have a little belly, so I got some room. But you're definitely not gonna be double showering. It works. It's like being in a very small camper or something, I guess, is kind of what the room is like. This has a drop-down bed, so the kids don't have to share one, which is exciting for us, because we thought they're gonna have to share one. I don't know where we're gonna put 6 bags of luggage in here, but
Well, most of them will fit
underneath my bed.
under the bed.
there is storage for stuff
We can put stuff underneath my bed.
all over here. A little mirror, another mirror.
We
Welcome
graduated
back.
to bronze.
We are bronze, yay! This is like our 3rd or 4th Norwegian cruise now. That's actually pretty comfortable looking.
It's not.
It's not. Have ourselves a little fridge cooler thing. It actually feels fairly cold, so that's cool.
But we need to find somebody to do that.
Yeah, we need to call for a medical cooler because she has actual medicine that needs to stay cold. Little TV. More storage. The safe. We did order a couple strawberries. Spot to do your hair. Book for room services.
Oh, baby.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
I'm not sure if you...
Decent. Well, I did not show it. That's actually a pretty decent closet.
Your life vests are here as well.
We'll spot the fold clothes or something. I don't know. It's cool. That's actually pretty decent.
I got a ladder now.
Oh, he's got a ladder.
Now.
I'm going to show you the balcony.
I have my bedside table here.
She does have a bedside table, which is pretty cool. And the star of the show, the little balcony. Definitely not a big one, but it's enough to get the job done. Couple chairs. I'll have to see what's going on. We're in Honolulu, Hawaii. You can park right there. We actually took a taxi service. We stayed in the Hilton Hawaiian Villages, which is about a 10-minute drive that way. We returned our rental to the airport 10 miles that way. It's kind of conveniently located in the middle. Airport's 10 minutes to this direction. All the hotels are 10 minutes that direction. Cruise port's right in the middle. I took a taxi from the cruise, or from the airport to the cruise terminal for $35. Could have been cheaper, but I wanted whatever the soonest one was because I knew everybody's waiting for me. So that is our little room tour. I think it's decent. It's a little tight, but this is an older ship, so it's not gonna be like these icons of the sea and stuff that have 800 square foot rooms is what it feels like. So
They're definitely not that many square foot when you get the same comparable...
I know, but it feels like 800 square foot compared to this thing.
This is very tight. We need to see about getting an eggshell
Let's see.
topper for the bed and a medical cooler, so we
All
can
right.
find somebody or call somebody for that.
All right, let's do that.
Can you put some of that